Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the sum function in Excel, which is one of the most commonly used functions. The sum function is used to add numbers together in Excel. Instead of manually adding each value, you can use sum to automatically calculate the total for a range of cells. Now you might be thinking, why not just manually type in the numbers and add them with a simple plus sign? You can do that, but it's not the most efficient way. I have these numbers here, 10, 20 and 30 in cells B3, B4 and B5. And if I want to add them, I could type equals 10 plus 20 plus 30 and hit enter. Excel will give me a total of 60. But here's the issue. If I change the number in B5 to 40, Excel won't update the total automatically. It will still show 60 because the formula is based on the values that were originally typed in the cells. To get the new correct result, I would have to manually change the formula or redo it. Now, if you have a large data set or make frequent changes to your numbers, this can be time consuming and can easily lead to mistakes. That's where the sum function makes things easier. Instead of manually typing data from each cell, you can use the sum function to calculate the total for a range of cells, and it will automatically update if you change any of the numbers. Here you can see I have a set of data with the scores of 3 students in 4 subjects. Now I want to calculate Bella's total score. Her scores are in cells F4, F5, F6 and F7. To calculate the total score, this time I am going to use the sum function. Equals sum F4 to F7, close the bracket. What this does is tell Excel to add up all the numbers in the range from F4 to F7, which are Bella's scores. Now I'm going to hit enter. So instead of manually adding them one by one, Excel automatically does it for you and gives you the total. Now here is the benefit. If I change her score in geography from 49 to, let's say, 75 and hit enter, Excel will automatically update the total without me having to adjust the formula. It does all the work for you, making it much faster and more accurate. Now let's add up Mike's scores. Equals sum function. Now instead of typing the cell references, I'm going to make a selection with the mouse and then close the bracket. Here you go. To make the process even faster, you can use the auto sum feature. Press Alt and equals, and Excel will automatically sum all the scores above. You can also use the sum function to add specific numbers from different cells. I'm going to type the sum function and then press Ctrl. While holding the Ctrl key, I'll select cells randomly. Excel will add these specific scores together, making it flexible for different scenarios. Close the bracket and then hit enter. As you can see, using the sum function is much more efficient than manually adding numbers, especially when your data changes. It automatically updates as new numbers are added or changed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Excel tips.